Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time! It's time for the lightning round! What's up, Ralph? And then the lightning round's over. Are you ready? Ski that time for the lightning round. Let's start with Randy in Minnesota. Randy!
Hi, Jim.
Randy, what's happening?
First thing I want to tell you is I want to thank you for helping all us little investors out. We all appreciate it.
Oh, thank you. That's who I'm working for. Thank you very much. What's going on?
I've had a stock for like 5 years now, and I bought it because it sounded like a real good stock. It was over in Europe, and now it's moving to the United States, and they just got approved by the FDA. And I bought 10,000 shares, and then it went up to, it sat for like 4 years now.
All right.
And then it went up to $5.51 a share.
Okay.
So I sold 5,000 shares and took my money back.
You got some unusual option activity now. Which one's the stock? What's the stock?
It's Senseonics Holdings.
Yeah, okay. Senseonics, look, that competes against Dexcom and competes against Abbott, which are big competitors, so it's just a speculative one. Let's go to Mike in Illinois. Mike.
Mr. Cramer.
Hey, Mike, what's up?
Hey, thanks for all you and your team do. I love
our team is great. Thank you.
I love that you dive into small, fast-growing companies and not only cover the biggest well-known names.
All right.
A recent example is Celsius. I discovered the company after my brother gave me a wild berry Celsius, and I loved it.
Well, I got to tell you, my guys downtown in my morning show, they love it too, and I love it. I think it's a sensation. Let's go to Scott in Indiana. Scott.
Hey, Jim, Scotty P. from Indiana. How you doing?
I am doing well. How about you?
Oh, hey, man, no regrets. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I was talking about ticker Wish.
Oh, man, that's a memer-reamer. We got to do it. Whoa. I was actually doing a piece on Wish. Can we save it? Oh, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.